I thought I will share one more trick how I control reflections on my composition. Yes, not only on product, but on the composition. For example, when I'm using this glossy surface, black high glossy glass as a surface, then I get this beautiful reflection underneath the product. Like you see on this image right now, then you see the beautiful background color coming onto the table as well. And then we see this nice reflection underneath the product. Usually this is what we want. This is the high glossy look that we want to have on our images. But in some cases, you might want to have more subtle reflection, that it's not that strong or intense. And how to control this one? So for that, once again, I have my simple polarizing filter, and this is the thing that I use to control my reflections on the table as well. Usually I get this for my products when I want to control some kind of light or reflections on the product itself, but I can do the same thing on the background as well. So that's all I need to do right now. I need to screw that filter onto my lens, and now you will see what happens. For a start, as the polarizing filter is taking off some of the light, then I need to increase either the power on the flashes, or I can increase ISO on my camera. So I will just increase ISO just a little bit, and let's take the shot. This is the image how it would look when there is no filter or anything. We get this nice high glossy reflection on the table, and that's it. But now let's have a look. If I start to rotate my filter, then you see that the table is going darker, which means my reflection is also going darker. So now if I take another shot, then I have taken down the intensity on the reflection which is on the table. So this is one really simple trick that I use daily basis when shooting on a glossy surfaces, that I control my reflections with polarizing filter, not only on the product but also on the background. And this is very often forgotten when people are using polarizing filter, because they think that it's only for the product or only for the subject, but actually you can really use this creatively on all the composition that you have. So this is my way to go, how I control reflections on the table. I hope you got some ideas from this short video. Just take the filter, try it out on your own setup, and let me know how it goes. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.